Your security camera is one of the laziest, most underutilized assets in your entire business. Right now, it's a passive observer, it's a cost center, and frankly, it's failing you. My name is Dan Longnecker. When I founded Longnecker DataCom back in 2021, I did it because I saw countless businesses investing in technology still being vulnerable and inefficient. In this video, I'm not just going to show you how to get more from your cameras, I'm going to show you how to fundamentally change their role in your business from a reactive expense to a proactive revenue-driving asset. So let's be brutally honest about the reality of traditional surveillance. An incident happens, and now you have the wonderful task of sifting through hours, maybe even days of footage. First, you try to pull it over the network from the comfort of your desk, but the video just stutters, freezes, lags, it's completely unusable. So you give up. You decide to go pull it directly from the recorder. That means you have to go into that closet. You have to fight your way through a spaghetti mess of tangled wires just to find the NVR, hook up a monitor and a mouse, pull the footage locally. It's an absolute nightmare. That's why I have to ask, have you ever had to fight through a spaghetti monster of cables just to do one simple task? Scared that you're going to knock everything offline and shut down the entire company? If that sounds painfully familiar, do me a favor right now and hit that like button down low somewhere. It's a huge help, and it tells me if I'm hitting on a real world problem. The difference between watching and seeing is intelligence. It's what moves your system from a lazy observer to an active team member. Here are 3 key ways this technology turns your camera into a business asset. First, it creates true operational efficiency. In the retail space, AI can provide anonymous people counting to optimize staffing. It can generate heat maps to show you where customers spend the most time, so you can strategically place high margin products in the correct locations. That's not security, that's sales intelligence. Secondly, it drastically enhances workplace safety and reduces liability. The AI becomes your tireless safety monitor with no breaks. It can detect if a spill occurs, if a fire exit's blocked, or if a worker enters a dangerous area without a hard hat. If a fire started in this building, it can send alerts to your app or to email. This creates a much safer environment and an automated time-stamped log of your safety protocols, invaluable for insurance and liability. And third, it delivers actionable intelligence with smart search. This gives you back your most valuable asset, your time. The modern NVR is like having Google for your video footage. You can ask it real questions. Show me every time a blue truck entered the lot after 6 p.m. You get answers in seconds, not days. Look, my goal with this channel is to pull back the curtain on technology that powers successful businesses. No fluff, no confusing jargon, just straight talk and actionable advice from someone who is in the trenches designing and installing these systems every single day. If you're a business owner, an IT professional, or anyone who wants to use technology to build a stronger, more intelligent operation, then I invite you to subscribe to this channel. Join our community. We're going to be covering everything from network infrastructure to telecommunications and surveillance like we're talking about right now to help you win in your business. So the mindset shift is this: stop seeing your cameras as grudging expenses. Start seeing them as an investment in efficiency, safety, and intelligence. Your technology isn't years away. It's on our shelves right now, ready to be deployed. This is what we do. We don't just sell boxes. We design integrated systems that solve problems and create value. If you are ready to take the first steps towards transforming your lazy assets into active ones, I want you to reach out. Let's have a strategic conversation about your business's future. The consultation is free, but the insights you'll gain are invaluable. You can call my team directly, the number on the screen, wherever it shows up here, or visit our website, which I'll also put on the screen, and links will be in the description at longneckerdataCom.com, and you can book a strategy session. My name is Dan Longnecker. Thank you for your time. Now let's go build something great.